got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys on the block.
Todd Rutherford,
Thank you, Uncle.
25R253193. Good morning, Mr. Shemke.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Chairman, preparing to get my client and approach to be standing behind the about.
Your name, sir?
Todd Rutherford.
This is a disorderly charge.
Yes, Your Honor, there's an company case for Brownstone as well, but as to this case, waiting for reading my client's case.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol. There being an allegation that he was disorderly because he was intoxicated, at least in part. No alcohol. No illegal drugs, no marijuana, no contact with prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You understand all that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions? And we're going to give you October 16th. That's when you need, right? Or
Yes, Your Honor, I was going to ask for the second, but I spoke with the prosecutor for Rock, and he's not here on the
that's
second.
fine. October 16th, please say at
8:30.
8:30. Okay? All right. So you can go down the hall, sir. They're going to give you a paper notice and we'll see you back here. Do you have any questions?
Your Honor, I believe that there's one other company case for Mr. Rutherford upstate from there as well.
Todd Jeffrey Rutherford. This is file number 25B149205A and B.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Shemke, appearing to get my client's case, my immediate.
Phone.
Whose phone was that? I'm sorry.
So we got another disorderly public intox.
Yes, Your Honor, these the defense dates were back to back.
And then says he's got and we also got an animal cruelty case going.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any idea what the allegations are?
No, Judge, we're getting the rings.
Keeping
today.
or harboring an animal in the kennel or otherwise willfully or negligently caused or permitted the animal to suffer unnecessary discomfort or pain.
If I were to speculate, Your Honor, I believe that my client was driving, we're waiting on a blood alcohol level to come back, and I assume that there was potentially an animal in the vehicle, but the animal was not injured.
But they've got another one here. Left his dog in a 2016 Dodge Ram. Vehicle was not running. The windows were up, the doors were locked, and the engine was off. Dog was beginning to show signs of distress due to the high heat index. Defendant refused to assist police in safely removing the dog. Police had to break the right rear window of the vehicle to remove the dog in order to ensure it would not continue to suffer unnecessary pain or discomfort. All right.
As the arraignment way forward, we might stand spin.
He's got a super drunk
I
charge.
believe so, Judge.
Where's the dog at now?
Oh, she's at the house. My dog is very well taken care of, sir. My dog wasn't.
I don't want you to talk about the case at all, sir. You shouldn't. But this was August 6th. Now, unless we were having an unseasonably, and I don't want to talk about it, cool day for August 6th, that would be completely inappropriate. So let's just back it up here. Where's the super drunk charge?
It's in Brownstone, Judge. I've spoken with Ms. Caitlin Foley. We anticipate that case coming to fruition before the next.
Is that in front of me or Judge Hesson?
Judge, it hasn't been,
Charge.
hasn't gone forward yet, but with the blood alcohol level came back, I believe. I spoke with Ms. Caitlin Foley, who indicated that there'll be a date that it happens to the court. We're going to walk in immediately after, so we'll be seeking to go to similar.
I need another bond sheet, please. Are you married, sir?
No, sir.
Is there anybody else that lives at the residence with him, Mr. Shemke?
No, Your Honor, I know that he was married. He has fostered and kept good relations with their stepsons, and they're grown, and they don't reside with him.
This is getting a little bit more serious than I anticipated. What's your dog's name?
Sapphire.
And these are all separate offense dates, were they not?
Yeah, nothing close in proximity, but 7 days.
All right, here's what I'm going to do. I need everybody to just give me 1 second here. All right, on the B file, 205B, because I'm setting separate bond conditions. These are the bond conditions on this. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. I'm going to give you your date again momentarily. You're to attend AANA twice a week. We're going to give you a form. You have to go in person. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. Every time you come to court, you have to bring the form with you. You're not to have any contact with prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer. You're not to own, possess, or harbor any domestic animal other than that dog. So you're not to acquire any other dogs. You're not to own, possess, or harbor any other domestic animal other than that dog, Sapphire. You're not to be on a SoberLink device by the end of the day. SoberLink device by the end of the day. I'm going to give you a court date, which is going to be on September the 18th as well on this one, Lisa. I'm sorry, on October the, what day did I give you?
October 16th, Judge.
I'm sorry?
The October 16th.
October 16th. And what time did I say on the other one, Lisa?
8:30, Judge.
Thank you. So that's when I'm setting all of these. October 16th at 8:30. And we will go from there, okay? Sir, do you understand all your bond conditions here?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can go down the hall and get your notice. You're all set. Make sure you go to AA. Make sure he gets on the SoberLink by the end of the day.
Understood, Judge.
He can talk to probation, okay?
Understood.
Thank you.